Hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking just a few moments to check out this very brief video. I've got a video that I want to share with you on the Neolife Business Opportunity, okay? And it is less than 3 minutes long. It's very powerful and very informative. So stay with me for the next few moments as we plug into that video. And then we're going to say, we'll see you later. All right? Okay, stay with me. Okay, here we go. And then I'm going to get out of the way. Wasn't that powerful? Short, sweet, powerful. And I want to thank you again for taking just a few moments to check out the video. If you are interested in a great opportunity, great products, okay? Because, you know, you can come in as a free customer and get a website and all of that, and then help other people, you know, discover these products. But you can also become a promoter. That's up to you. And we know that, you know, nutritional products don't prevent any disease or cure anything, but certainly they help the body in healing itself, okay? And so we know that good supplementation is very good for the physical body, all right? So there you have it. I'm going to leave the link so that you can go to the website and discover things yourself, all right? And we're here to help, okay? We're here to assist you in any way that we can. So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.